What if I told you? Using simple charcoal with one secret ingredient can wake your plants instantly and make them grow wildly. Just imagine your plant roots breathing freely, leaves shining brightly, and new shoots appearing overnight. And all it needs is one spoon of this powerful mix. Hello, gardening friends. Today I'll show you a natural tonic that revives weak plants and boosts strong growth in every pot. Take 1 full spoon of charcoal powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. Charcoal acts like a purifier. It absorbs toxins from the soil, improves aeration, and helps roots absorb nutrients faster. Now comes the secret activator. Add just 4 to 5 drops of vinegar into the same liter of water and stir well. Vinegar lowers the pH slightly, unlocking nutrients in the soil and creating perfect conditions for growth. Together, charcoal and vinegar form a natural power booster that fights root rot, controls harmful bacteria, and improves soil structure. Apply the solution once every 15 days directly into the soil of any indoor or outdoor plant. For sensitive saplings, pour slowly around the edges so roots absorb it gradually. You'll notice stronger stems, greener leaves, and faster new growth within days. This method works especially well for flowering plants, leafy greens, and plants stuck in slow growth. Avoid overuse. Nature grows best with balance. Try it once, and you'll see how 1 spoon can truly wake up your plants to life. Thanks for watching. May your garden grow wild and healthy.